In this video, we'll understand how to make a one-way frequency table. So we have a product table in which we have different products listed, and there are certain variables which are categorical, like product, order priority. So these are called categorical variables, and they would have certain values which are populating time and again. For example, you can see apparels, this record populates multiple times. Similarly, the order priority has three levels: critical, high, and medium. And these levels of order priority repeat. So we can take out frequency of those variables which are replicative. We can go to the search menu and look for frequency table. This is the tool that we would utilize to run the frequency. So it gives us all the categorical variables. It would give us only those variables in the option for which we can run frequency, which variables are defined as non-numeric. So if we take a look at the metadata here, the order number, product, order priority, these are defined as strings. However, the numeric variables, we cannot run the frequency of numeric variables. In case we would like to run the frequency of numeric variables, we'll use the select tool to convert the attribute of that variable. So we'll come to that scenario. Now let's run a frequency of the product. It takes a little while to run the frequency tool. It took 7.9 seconds. And you can see in the output you would get three anchors. One is D, another one is R, and the third one is I. So this one is D. D stands for data. R stands for report, and I stands for interactive. So we'll be looking at data, which would give us the data output. So we get the field value here as the product. So the product variable is listed into a new field by the name of field name, and these are the field values: grinder, desktop, laptop, air conditioner, and these are the corresponding frequencies. So we have in total 1,199 records, and these are how these 1,199 records are spread across. We also get the percentage. So the denominator is 1199, so 203 divided by 1199 is 16.93%, and so on for rest of the records. We also get the cumulative frequency and the cumulative percentages. So the denominator for cumulative percentage would again remain 1199. The R anchor gives us a general report that we have ran the frequency for product. Now, in case we want to run the frequency for quantity, so we do not get the option for the quantity variable to run the frequency for, because the quantity variable is listed as a numeric variable. So we can convert this variable into string first, and then we can run the frequency. So it takes a little while to run the frequency process. It took 22 seconds. Now here you get the frequency for quantity. These are different levels of quantity. So there are orders in which one quantity is ordered. There are orders in which up to 5 quantities are ordered. And these are the corresponding frequency, percentages, cumulative frequency, and cumulative percentages.